Boric materia medica, Bellis perennis, Daisy. It acts upon the muscular fibers of the blood vessels, much muscular soreness, lameness as if sprained, venous congestion due to mechanical causes. First remedy in injuries to the deeper tissues after major surgical work. I repeat, first remedy in injuries to the deeper tissues after major surgical work. Results of injuries to nerves with intense soreness and intolerance of cold bathing. After gout, debility of limbs. Traumatism of the pelvic organs. Autotraumatism expresses the condition calling for this remedy. Ill effect from masturbation. Excellent remedy for sprains and bruises. Complaints due to cold food or drink when the body is heated and in affections due to cold wind. Externally in navy, acne, boils all over, sore bruised filling in the pelvic region. Exudations, stasis, swelling come within the range of this remedy. Rheumatic symptoms does not vitiate the secretions. It is a princely remedy for old laborers, especially gardeners. Head, vertigo in elderly people, headache from occiput to top of head, forehead feels contracted, bruised soreness, itching around scalp and over back, worse from hot bath and bed. Female, breast and uterus engorged, varicose veins in pregnancy. During pregnancy, inability to walk, abdominal muscles lame, uterus feels sore as if squeezed. Sleep, wakes early in morning and cannot get to sleep again. Abdomen, soreness of abdominal walls and of uterus, stitches in spleen, sore, enlarged, yellow painless diarrhea, foul odor, worse at night, bloated, rumbling in bowels. Skin, boils, ecchymosis, swelling, very sensitive to touch, venous congestion due to mechanical causes, varicose veins with bruised sore filling, exudations and swellings, acne. Extremities, joints sore, muscular soreness, itching on back and flexor surfaces of thighs. Pain down anterior of thighs. Wrist feels contracted as from elastic band around joint. Sprains with great soreness. Railway spine. Relationship, compare arnica, arsenic, staphysagria, hamamelis, bryonia, vanadium. Modalities, worse left side, hot bath and warmth of bed before storms, cold bathing, cold wind. Dose, tincture to third potency. Next remedy, benzenum coal naphtha, benzol C6H6. The most striking fact in the proving of benzol seems to be the influence it had on the circulatory system. It caused a slowing of the pulse stream, which in the Guinea pigs brought about the formation of infarcts. In the human provers, it resulted in a decrease of the red and increase of white cells. It ought to be of use in leukemia, eye symptoms striking, hallucinations, epileptiform attacks, coma and anesthesia. Head, sense of falling through bed and floor, pains from below upward, tired and nervous, frontal headache to root of nose, dizzy, pressing feeling in head, right-sided headache. Eyes, illusion of vision with wide open eyes, twitching of lids, photophobia, objects blurred, aching in eyes and lids, marked dilation of pupils, failure to react to light, particularly daylight. Nose, profuse fluent coryza, especially in afternoon, violent sneezing. Male, swelling of right testicle, severe pain in testicles, itching of scrotum, profuse urination. Extremities, heavy limbs, cold legs, exaggerated knee jerk, pains from below upward. Skin, eruption like measles, perspiration on side not lain upon, itching all over back. Modalities, worse at night, worse right side. Dose, 6th potency. Relationship. Compare benzene, petroleum ether, not as pure a compound as benzene or benzol. It is the same but with a mixture of hydrocarbons. It seems to exercise a special influence on the nervous system and on the blood. Oxyhemoglobinemia. Physical weakness, cramps, exaggeration of knee jerks, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, heaviness and coldness of limbs, tremor of eyelids and tongue. When the skin or hair is exposed to TNT by contact, a characteristic yellow or tawny orange stain is produced, which lasts for some weeks, indicated in graver forms of anemia, and jaundice, produces fatal toxic jaundice. Dose 6th potency.